Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shadiar Ahmed, and today I'll be telling you about the solar system. So, the first question that comes up in our mind is, what is the solar system? The solar system is a gravitational bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Now, the next question that comes up in our mind is, what does our solar system consist of? Our solar system consists of our star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are other planets called the dwarf planets, such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Now, the next question that comes up in our mind about the solar system is, when was it formed? Our solar system was formed about 4.5 billion years ago from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. The cloud collapsed possibly due to the shock wave of a nearby exploding star, called a supernova. When this dust cloud collapsed, it formed a solar nebula, a spinning, swirling disk of material. Now, I'm going to be telling you about the planets. So, the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the innermost planet in the solar system. It orbits around the sun. It orbit around the sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the god. Now, the next planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the second brightest natural object, the night sky after the moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be, on rare occasions, visibly to the naked eye in the broad daylight. Now, the third planet is Earth. You probably know about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life, according to radiometric dating estimation and other evidence. Earth formed over 1.5 billion years ago. And now, the fourth planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in our solar system, being only larger than Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war, and it often referred to as the red planet. Now, the next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system, being only larger than it is a gas giant with a mass 1,000 that of the sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Wow, that's a lot. Now, the next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of the Earth. It only has 1/8 of the average density of the Earth. However, with its large volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Now, the seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions which differ from that of the larger gas giants such as Jupiter and Saturn. Now, the last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Neptune is the 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its twin Uranus. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is space exploration. So, the first question that comes up in our mind is, what is space exploration? Space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space. While the exploration of space is carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes, if physically exploration through though is conducted both by unmanned robotic space probes and human spaceflight. So now I'm going to be telling you the history of when space exploration was first announced. Space exploration was first announced in 1957 when the Soviets launched the first artificial satellite. Sputnik 1 launched it into space. 4 years later, on April 12, 1961, Russian LT Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth in Vostok. His flight lasted 108 minutes, and Gagarin reached an altitude of 327 kilometers, about 202 miles. Now, the next question that comes up in our mind about space exploration is, why is it important? Space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Through addressing the challenges related to human exploration, we expand technology, create new industries, and help to foster a peaceful connection with our nations. Thank you for listening and paying attention. So this is my project that I made, as you can see. So thank you and bye.